Want to turn a simple leaf photo into a clean, beautiful line art? Stay till the end and I'll show you how to do it step by step. Welcome to Art with Mooney. Today we'll starting a three-part level drawing series where we'll transfer a simple leaf reference into a finished illustration. Here, how the series will go. First part about clean line art. Second part about basic colors. And third part about shading and details. Let's start by reducing the opacity of leaf and adding a new layer above our leaf. And here I'm choosing cheap and smooth. And you can adjust the size of pen according to your need. And choose black color. Correction must be at 20. And let's start tracing the leaf gradually. Take your time, and wherever you think you have made mistakes, you can simply remove that area and try again. Here I'm just drawing one side of leaf, as you can see. Here I'm using rubber tool. You can adjust its size as well. Once fully satisfied, I'm start drawing the other side of leaf as well. Take your time and enjoy the process as well. Make sure to draw smooth line art. Once satisfied with the line art, you can hide your picture and see it. Add new layer like this, and we'll start drawing the inner part of leaf, which are basically lines inside our leaf. Now once you are satisfied with this, we'll add new layer and we'll start drawing the lines inside our leaf one by one. Make sure to draw smooth lines. Now here I'm just removing the other part lines, and for cleaning my line art here, once satisfied with your line art, just duplicate this layer like this and flip vertically. Yes, like this, and use free transform tool and just adjust this layer accordingly. Once you adjust the layer, now make sure to clean the lines like this. Take your time and enjoy the process. And here you can see I'm almost done with my line art of leaf, making sure that it look clean, and I have merged all layers down, and making sure it looked clean. And just like that, my line art is complete. Make sure to subscribe my channel as well for other parts as well.